Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're looking at a digital product that is completely redefining how we manage our daily workflows. If you've ever felt totally overwhelmed by the very tools that are supposed to keep you organized, well, you're absolutely not alone. We're going to explore MiniTask. It's an incredible modern task management platform built for high performance, extreme productivity, and pure minimalism. This isn't just another to-do list, folks. It's a fully realized, market-ready solution designed specifically to strip away visual noise and actually give you back your focus.
It's a very real problem, right? Modern productivity tools have just become incredibly bloated. They're bogged down with what we can really only call technological slop. Endless visual friction, pop-ups, and complex menus just to write down a simple reminder. When your tool demands more energy from you than the actual work itself, the system is fundamentally broken. MiniTask steps in directly to solve this massive relevance gap in the software market. The core philosophy here is low visual friction. It asks one simple question: what if managing your work was as fast as your own train of thought?
Think about the traditional approach for a second. You want to edit a task, and suddenly you're clicking through heavy modals, loading entirely new screens, and navigating these endless submenus. It's exhausting. Now compare that to the MiniTask approach. It acts as a total frictionless antidote. The value proposition is brilliantly simple. You click, you type, you format, and you're done. Everything happens inline, directly on your screen. It's uniquely designed to combine the bare-bones simplicity of a basic notepad with the deep, structural power you'd expect from an enterprise-level productivity tool. And just look at the interface. It's beautiful, clean, and designed entirely to guide your focus. They utilize a highly polished color system they call Cosmic Slate. It uses these high-contrast neutral grays that are perfectly smooth for the daytime and completely safe for your eyes at night. Every single pixel, every micro-animation serves a distinct purpose. There are no distracting flourishes here. It's simply a workspace you actually want to spend your day in.
Which brings us to the defining concept driving the entire platform: frictionless productivity. For you, the user, this means absolute fluidity. When you focus on a task title, a rich formatting toolbar just pops up automatically. You can bold, italicize, strike through, or apply Notion-style highlight backgrounds instantly. It's built for people who need to organize complex information. We're talking project managers, developers, students, without the software getting in the way. It delivers the massive, crucial benefit of keeping you right in your state of flow.
So, who is this actually for? Well, it's tailor-made for power users and professionals who want maximum speed. MiniTask is fundamentally built around keyboard-first navigation. You literally never have to touch your mouse if you don't want to. You hit Enter to instantly create a new task below. You press Tab to instantly indent it, turning it into a nested subtask. Need to move it back? Just hit Shift and Tab. It even features high-density multi-selection. Hold Control or Command, click a bunch of tasks, and you can mark them all complete, tag them, or delete the whole batch in one single bulk action. It is engineered for extreme efficiency.
Of course, a task list isn't much help without deadlines. And the intelligent deadline system here is super slick. It features a dedicated date picker popover with quick preset buttons for today, tomorrow, or next week. But the true value is in these really subtle proximity alerts. The dates are automatically color-coded for you. Red means you're overdue, orange means the deadline is today, green or gray means it's safely planned for the future. It effortlessly keeps you on track at a single glance, completely avoiding those aggressive screen-cluttering notifications we all hate.
Let's walk through how you actually use this thing, because the organizational workflow is completely effortless. First, you create, just typing your thoughts out instantly. Next, you structure. You can build out massive, complex project trees just by indenting. Elements with subtasks even show little collapsible arrows, so you can fold away whatever you aren't working on right now. And finally, you reorder. You can drag and drop individual tasks or even entire blocks of selected tasks fluidly in a simulated 3D space. It feels natural, it's tactile, and it works exactly how your brain expects it to.
Now here's where MiniTask creates a massive competitive advantage in today's market. We're talking absolute privacy and portability. By default, 100% of your data lives locally, right in your browser. Your tasks belong exclusively to you, but they certainly don't trap your data. MiniTask includes some serious high-fidelity export engines. You can export a raw JSON file for perfect backups. You can pull plain text, complete with bracketed checkboxes, which is perfect for terminal documentation or dropping into an email. You can even generate a standalone interactive HTML file of your entire list that preserves the exact layout and theme, or snap a high-definition PNG image directly from the canvas to share your progress.
Okay, let's peek under the hood for a second.
How exactly is it so fast? Well, it comes down to this brilliant piece of engineering called the flattened tree model. Instead of storing your tasks in deeply complicated nested loops, which by the way is what slows down most applications, MiniTask stores everything in a simple, flat list. Each subtask just remembers the ID of its parent. For you, the user, this highly technical architecture translates directly into lightning-fast search functionality and buttery-smooth drag-and-drop performance, literally no matter how many tasks you load into it.
The technologies chosen to build this platform are strictly top-tier. It operates as a single-page application, powered by React 18 and bundled with Vite. This specific combination was chosen to deliver ultra-fast, zero-lag performance right in the client's browser. The entire code base is written in TypeScript, ensuring rigorous stability and actually preventing bugs before they even happen. For the beautiful, responsive styling and smooth dark mode transitions, they use Tailwind CSS. And that flawless reordering system we talked about, it's powered by a professional library called DND Kit. Everything here serves one ultimate goal: unparalleled speed and reliability.
While the workspace looks totally pristine on the surface, underneath there is a custom state management system recording every single action. The app features robust undo and redo capabilities, just using your classic Ctrl-Z and Ctrl-Y shortcuts. The engineering behind this ensures the history stack is perfectly calibrated to prevent ghost states or corrupted data. This holds true even if you're dragging and dropping dozens of tasks all at once. Your work is completely safe. Achieving this level of stability is a massive marker of success for a client-side application.
So, you might be wondering, who actually built this? MiniTask was developed by Bruno Capi, a full-stack developer and systems analyst based down in Brazil. And Bruno brings a really unique perspective to this product. He has a deep background in industrial automation combined with modern web development. You can really see how that industrial systems mindset, where literally every process has to be highly optimized and completely fail-proof, has been beautifully translated into modern consumer software design. His guiding philosophy is simple but powerful. Software should be elegant, efficient, and above all useful.
And the relevance of this product is really only going to grow. Looking at the roadmap, the future is incredibly exciting, which is a huge signal for potential partners, investors, and users alike. By Q3 2026, they're planning optional cloud integration via Firebase. This means you can sync across devices if you choose to move beyond local storage. Q4 2026 brings progressive web app capabilities, meaning native, offline installation for both mobile and desktop. And in 2027, they're looking at integrating the Gemini AI SDK to intelligently and automatically categorize tasks and break down complex projects into manageable subtasks for you. Ultimately, MiniTask isn't just about making lists. It's about reclaiming your focus in a world that is constantly trying to distract you. It takes a universal problem, the friction of managing our daily responsibilities, and solves it with a solution that is technically superb, visually stunning, and honestly, an absolute joy to use. The value generated here is just immense. When elegant technology gets out of your way, it empowers you to do your absolute best work. If you're tired of fighting your productivity tools, perhaps it's time to experience frictionless design. So let me leave you with this. How much faster could you move, and what could you achieve if your software finally kept up with you?